To the whole world, it's Landile here, the leader and the instructor of my live programming school, which I used to call Manikwe Programming School. Okay, again, this is the last exercise whose solution is gonna be accessible by all of you out there. Okay, and I've already given a solution. Excuse me. I've already given you guys the first solution on this problem, right? And right now I'm about to give you guys another one. So let me stop wasting time. As you can see, we had a program which produced that. Now here's what I want you guys to do. Oh, you know what? Let me create the second exercise underscore 1 underscore 3, and then I go B. Okay, you know what, you guys? Because I've already got this solution here. I've got a question. What would we do if I wanted to flip this Java humongous keyword in the y-axis, or vertically? It's better put it like that, not in the y-axis. I want to flip it horizontally, not vertically. I want to make this Java word upside down, because right now, let me clear it. This is how it looks. Okay, so if I want to make it upside down, you can apply logic here, you guys. Think of having a mirror right at the bottom of the last println statement. In that case, we would get something like that. Boom, you guys, this is what we get if we do that. So let me hit the run button. As you can see, we're getting precisely what we want. Okay, again, you guys, you see, the reason why I'm doing this is so that you know that sometimes you need to only apply logic. We could have done it differently by going through each and every line the same way we did previously, right? But because of the fact that we already know that by rearranging our lines of code, we can produce something like this. It's better we do. Okay, now again, I know it might not make too much of a sense for now, but trust me, later on, once we get to things like loops, where we are required to maybe display a certain pairing, it could be a triangle, it could be a diamond, it could be whatever. It's always a good idea to think of patterns with how the mirror works in mind. Okay, it's always a good idea, because with that information you would be saving too much of your time. You see, for instance, you might be given a task to display, say for instance, some shape, right? Two shapes, for instance, and maybe the one on the left is nothing else but a reflection of the one on the right. In that case, you won't have to have a code, a bunch of lines of code for the pattern in the right and the bunch of lines of code for the pattern on the left. What would you do is to only have one lines of code, and then just by swapping few things you can produce the second output. Anyways, I do understand that you probably don't even understand what I'm referring to by now, but trust me, down the road you will see what do I mean by that. So that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. I don't want to take much of your time, right, explaining things that you probably understand already, and I don't see where I can apply the printf statement here, so that's why I just thought I should keep things simple. So that's gonna be it tutorial, you guys. If you happen to be a member, if you're paying $9.99 a month, then you're gonna have access to the next subsequent solutions as well on this chapter. Cheers, you guys. I'm gone.